subscribe and like for 10 years of good luck. So, what we are doing today is we are going to be playing Minecraft, and this is the episode 1 of. Oh god, the shift lock. This is the episode 1 of our beating the Ender Dragon. What actually happened was I was stupid and I forgot to unmute myself while I was recording my very first Minecraft video. So sorry, we are just going to have to do a voiceover then. So first we are going to collect some wood. I have watched a lot of videos of Dream, Sapnap, and everyone. Yeah, that's my goal, and that's why I want to reach the subscriber count. Not going to happen anytime soon. So let's start with collecting wood. So today's episode, the let's say, I'll challenge myself to get full iron, and then after we get full iron, we are going to stop the episode, and then season two. Not season two. I'm stupid. Sorry, episode two. So crafting table first. Okay, now that the crafting table is done, we have to make ourselves an a pick first pickaxe. So I'm gonna make myself a pickaxe first. That's wood pickaxe, and I'm not gonna make a sword because I'm not gonna waste the wood because I can make a stone sword very easily. So now let's go find a cave or something close to that so that I can get some stone, some coal, mainly coal. Is that a cave? Just a minute. Not there. Yeah. Is that a cave? Yeah, that no, that's not a cave, but there's some coal over there. So let's get some coal. And if you spot me making any mistakes in this video, please leave it down in the comments and help me reach the goal of 100 subscribers, please. Okay, so coal. We are gonna get a lot of coal. We can never have enough coal. You know that. Hopefully. And some couple days ago, Sohan asked me to play Minecraft Pocket Edition, I believe. Sorry, Sohan, I don't have Minecraft Pocket Edition. But if you ever get Java or like you have Java, we could surely play together. Okay? Okay, now after we get the coal. Oh, there's a lot of coal. And sorry, I've not been uploading. The thing is, I have something in school called research and development. So I have really been busy for research and development, practicing my part, and my exams are going to come soon. So my upload schedule is really messed up. It was supposed to be once in a week. Now it's been like 2 to 3 weeks. Let's get some stone so that we can make a furnace and some stone tools. Okay, oh my god, the coal. So this is my very first Minecraft video and I'm a complete noob to this. This is my first time I am ever playing on purely survival. I have played on creative. I have a auto iron farm and a good house and an auto wool farm. I'll show you that if I pretty soon if I get 100 subscribers in at least close to 2 months, hopefully. So I am stone pick and let's make a stone sword, shall we? Yeah, I was stupid over here and I made a stone sword instead of a axe. If I would have made an axe, it would be easier to break wood and it does more damage. Won't make that mistake again. Thank you very much. Now, I need to go find a cave and I need food. So let's slaughter these pigs. I get confused with my shift and then my control button. So by mistake I shift instead of running far instead of sprinting. That's just stupidity on my part. Don't judge, please. So now we have to find a cave. I'm running around finding no cave, and I just climb over this, and I spot something in. Okay, that's just sheep. Okay, now I can make a bed. Um. Okay, food. We need a lot of food. And I have set my mode. I'm not going to tell you which mode it is, okay? You can enjoy watching without it. But I have not set it to hard. I'm just telling you, I'm not setting it too hard because I'm just a beginner. So I'm playing in the. I'm not going to tell which mode. I'll just ruin the surprise. So first cave, and then I spot something in the corner of my eye. Is that a cave? That looks like a cave. So I don't. I went to make some torches, thinking that it was a cave, and clearly 12 is not enough. Um, but who cares anyway? So look, there's a cave over there, and I see some pigs. So I went to get the pigs first, like always, cause I need food. I have only 3 pork chops and 6 mutton. Not enough. So, oh my god. Yep. So I went to get some pigs. I'm horrible at parkour probably because first time playing. See, I spot 3 pigs and my aim. Oh my god. I'm not able to hit the pig. Um, this got me really frustrated. If I had the audio, I could have shown you. And I killed only 2. I have no idea where the. Nah, I have no idea where the third one went. Look at this. I'm stupid. Absolutely stupid. Yeah, I have no idea where the third one went, so I just don't. Oh my god, my damage. So I have no idea where the third one went, so I just go in the cave. And as I've told you, don't subscribe and like the video. Oh, iron. Subscribe and like the video so that you'll have 10 years of good luck, maybe more. And please share this with your friends. Lava pool. Share this with your friends so that my views and hopefully subscribers increase if you like the content. Which I bet you do. It's Minecraft. So there's a lava pool over there, but I don't have any water, and I'm probably not gonna use it because it's flowing lava. So instead of creating obsidian, it's gonna create cobblestone, which I don't need right now. So I'm just gonna light up the cave. Why are there no mobs in the cave? I have no idea why. Okay, I need more torches. So let's create some more torches. Water. Okay, so clearly I'm going to create some more torches. I'm not stupid. I think. Sorry. And my microphone is really bad, so it would really help if many people subscribe so I can buy a better microphone. And it's probably bad because it's a headset. And yeah, my voice. Never mind. So I'm going to light up the whole cave so I can find iron and get full iron and some iron tools. And I'm just going to go there. Okay, that I guess this deep is enough. No, I'm not going more deep. So I go back and start mining iron. I just missed iron over there. Called. Yeah. So I start mining iron, please. Okay, light up this first. I really don't remember what happened, and then today I checked this, and then it's like, oh my god, I'm stupid. I forgot to unmute myself, and the whole 17 minutes that I actually recorded this, the whole thing I was talking the whole time, and then oh no. So today I was really sad. Then I thought of voiceovers, and I know this is not as good as the real one. I'm gonna mine some iron first. Yeah, this is not as good as the real one, but I'm still trying. I'm pretty sure my. Oh god, it's so dark. Yeah, it's so dark I can barely see because I guess my darkness in my computer is set to maximum. So my Minecraft looks like pitch black in some areas. I can barely see anything. I hope. Okay, the recording is also showing almost the exact same. It's almost pitch black, but you can see a bit better. So I'm gonna get iron. There's a lot of iron in this cave. I got really lucky. So I'm gonna get iron. I'm gonna get all the iron I can. So this episode will be mainly mining and getting iron, and then the next episode will be probably trading some things if I find a village or like finding a lava pool. I absolutely don't know how to make the portal fast. So I guess the only things I can do is find like diamonds or find a mine shaft to find diamonds and make a diamond pickaxe so I can mine obsidian. I don't know how to create the fast ones. Probably I'll try my best to do that next episode. Probably gonna fail. I bet it's gonna fail. Oh, that's a eight stack. Yep. Is that eight? No, that's more than eight, I guess. No, I need the wool cobblestone. Much better. So you can never get too much coal. I'm gonna get these coal. And yeah, as I've told, I don't have a Minecraft account. This Minecraft account was lended to me by my dear friend S19 YouTube. He has a YouTube channel. Please check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. I would really help. It would really help if you supported him too. And he's my really close friend. We play all the time. We are probably making. Oh my! Oh, did I just throw the pick? I'm stupid. We play a lot of Roblox together, and unfortunately, we cannot play Minecraft together because I don't have the. Uh, nope, I'm not going in there. I don't have a Minecraft account, so we play Roblox. It's really fun. He's a really good friend. Of course, he lended me his Minecraft account, which is pretty cool. Even though we live like kind of far, he but we go to the same school, luckily. So please check out his channel. He makes a lot of good content on Pokemon and Piggy in Roblox and many other Roblox games. So he has only 18 subs, so I hope you guys will check his channel out and subscribe to him too. Shut up, water. Yeah, subscribe to him too. And so now I have 41 iron. That's a lot. So first I'm gonna place the crafting bench. Then I'm gonna make some furnaces. I need more. I have enough to only make one. I'm gonna collect some more and make. Let's see, three. Yeah, I guess we'll have enough for three for now. Oh, if that water flows, my torch. Yep, it didn't flow. Yay, the water didn't flow. So now let's make some furnaces. I don't know how to place like two cobbles at a time. I think it's shift click. Oh yeah, I don't know how I did it. I actually don't know how I did it. If anyone knows how to place it by separating it into two, please tell me in the comments. So we have three furnaces. Yep, exact amount what we needed. And we are going to melt our iron. Melt, smelt, smelt our iron. Not 41. I'll put like 10 in there, probably. So let's put cup 10. Yeah. Oh, I just threw it. I think they should fix this. For example, if I like place like couple iron and then I still have it in the hand and I press E, I think it would be better if like Minecraft made it so that it'll come back to your inventory or go in the furnaces. Yeah. And now I'm gonna put, see again. Oh my god, it happens so many times when I was in creative. It'll just like fall out. Yeah. Wait. I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, food. Yeah, food. Oh god, I'm gonna put the iron in the other thing. I of course need the iron. Achievement. Yay. I need the iron and I need to cook my food too. And I have only 11 pieces of food. 6 of them are mutton and 5 of them are pork chops. I'll probably need to get some more in the future. Now I'm just gonna look around, I guess. Get some more coal, I guess. Yeah, so I'm getting the coal. This episode is going to be wrapped up pretty soon because I have 41 iron. I guess that's more than enough to get a full iron and tools. So let's see. Um, First food. Yep, two pork chop. Thank you. Iron. Okay, so let's make some things. First, we need to make a pickaxe. That's for sure. Oh wait, I don't have any sticks. Uh, I used all of them on torches. So let's make sticks first. After making the sticks and pickaxe, this time I'm not going to make the mistake and I'm going to make an iron axe instead of pickaxe. Okay? So that it helps a lot more to like break stuff and everything. Yeah, iron axe. Much better. And I believe it does more damage than sword. If I'm wrong, please. Sorry. Now we need to make our full iron. We have enough for full iron. Oh wait, food is cooked. Now let's make the raw mutton. Put it there. Yep. Now let's make First, let's make a helmet, and then let's make yeah, shoe boots, I guess. And okay, yeah, I guess we have enough to make a helmet. Oh wait, oh god, no, no, I made two helmets. I'm stupid. I'm absolutely stupid. I'm really stupid. Oh god, so many people are gonna troll me for this. I made two helmets. Please don't. Okay, now I guess we can. Oh god, does it again. Now I guess we can make leggings. Yeah, I guess you can. No, we don't have enough for a chest plate, so leggings it is. Let's make leggings. Okay, let's. Oh no, I'm not gonna make you again helmet. Not gonna happen. Uh, just imagine if I made it for the third time in a row. That would be so funny. Now let me just put this on. Yeah, if you want to put that on straight, you just right click it. It automatically goes into your inventory. If you didn't know. And then if something is like done cooking, and then you just shift click it, all of it will come into your inventory instead of like picking it one by one. I got to know that. I don't remember how. Now I need to make a chest plate. That's one of the final things. Do I have enough for a chest plate? Yes, I do. I already had. Okay, now I have enough for a chest plate. Let's make a chest plate. Yep. Now I have full iron with tools and some extra iron to use. Yep, I'm full iron. And then I'll make a shield now itself so that I don't have to make it later on. Yay, shield done. Now you just press F to convert the shield from your right hand to your left hand. The shortcut is just simple F. So yeah, and then the helmet. I tried to make the helmet back into iron, but I couldn't. That's for sure. Even though I have enough to make enough iron to make buckets, I forgot about it. Yeah. So you'll be seeing that in the next episode. And it's really late at night right now. So I'm gonna make a bed. Oh god. Bed it is. I'll make a bed so that I can sleep and get it today. Because I don't wanna die. And I don't want the phantoms to spawn either. So that's that. Okay, sleeping is done. Now let's break anything and get out and find some food because I clearly don't have enough food. And okay, fine. Yeah. I guess we'll just roam around a little more and then end the video. Um, so let's go out. We have all that we need. But we just don't have food, so I'll probably like find some food and then end this video. Okay, why are there no mobs? There are no friendly mobs here. Oh wait, I see something. I see pigs. I see pigs. Okay, so we are going to end this video just after I slaughter these pigs. Sorry for saying slaughter, but still, only word that comes to mind when I think of Minecraft and pigs. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. I'm just going to kill these pigs. Bye.